Guys, it's Crypto Ape here. How are you doing today? So let's see how Bitcoin does in the past 2 days. Right, we have a pump during the weekend. It's almost a 6% pump, and we finally, break through the value area high about this area. It's also a very relatively large volume node, right? We are breaking through yesterday. But and we are coming to this resistance area, right? We've been rejecting here, and now we are, rejecting the first time. Now it seems like we're rejecting the second time. And also, if we draw the fib, we can see, this is a, line of 0.886. Also, that indicates a major resistance happening right here, right? I mean, I know a lot of people are calling, this is a new bull run. We're coming to 100K. We're coming to a, 161K. Well, I don't know, but in the short term, I do feel that we probably gonna come back a little bit, then probably gonna coming, up again, right? But right now we are seeing very weak momentum, right? Let's see the lower time frame, right? I think what Bitcoin does right now is probably it's forming a diagonal pattern, right? Because you can see here we actually having after this rally we have a ABC, right? We have an ABC correction wave, so that's why we are feeling the price gonna go higher than this because it means we are not over yet, right? So we have an ABC right here, but after we have a wave like this, the chart pattern just to look like we are forming a diagonal pattern. So probably what's gonna happen is something like this, right? So we're gonna have the wave one, which is the largest wave. We have a wave two, and we have our wave three. Wave three is always the longest wave, right? If we want looking for confirmations, we want to see, I mean, if the wave one it's an ABC wave, and wave two is an ABC wave, and also the wave three is an ABC wave, right? So let's see this, right? So this is a ABC pattern, and this is a ABC pattern as well. And yesterday we actually have another ABC pattern right here, right? And we are coming to this resistance area. So you think, probably we are just finishing our wave three of the diagonal pattern. This pattern, give us, this pattern is also a motive wave, right? This could be the wave five. So if this is a wave four correction, ABC, and this whole diagonal could be the wave five, then we're gonna expect a drawback, coming right here. But right now we are seeing the after completing the wave three, we are waiting for wave four and wave five, right? We should be seeing something like this in the wave four and wave five, right? Sorry, let's we should be seeing something ABC and another ABC in wave five. If we draw our time circle, we can see the price rising up when the circle coming up. After the middle point, the price dropping down, right? It's almost identical to these one to one time circles. Here we have here and we have here, and right now we are here. We're coming to the middle point. We are coming back down, right? And this one we're coming back down. Here probably we're gonna starting coming back, which is probably gonna give us a ABC, right? A major, because we are finishing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trend. This diagonal could be the motive wave 5. So probably gonna coming back from here, right, to maybe this area. Then we're probably gonna coming back up again, right? But let's see the time. The time here is February 1st, right? Which is 2 days from now. We know the FOMC, the Fed's gonna make a statement during this Wednesday. So I do believe if the Bitcoin gonna forming a diagonal pattern like this, then probably that's not some good news from the Fed. I don't know. I mean, we just wait and see, right? So let's see the liquidation level, right? We have been hitting all of these shorts, right? I mean, during the weekend, all of these shorts are liquidated, right? Yesterday, and the price just reacted very fast, coming back down. The major, liquidation for the longs is actually at 22.2K, right? So we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen, but right now, I think we're gonna stick to the scenario that to see if this is a wave 4 diagonal, right? Let's see the Elliott, right? The Elliott wave, yeah, right here. So this is a chart from the Elliott wave textbook. You can see, after this rally, so we have the false correction, which give us a ABC. Then we have a rising diagonal, right? So we're gonna have a major wave A. It should be have a longer period of time wave 3. So wave A, and we are coming back to wave B, which is also ABC. Then have a relatively longer period of time ABC, right? And right now we are seeing so right here, right? We should be have something like this. Probably gonna coming back up again to the wave 5. After this, we are expecting if the price can hit actually the 0.886, which is at $2,487, right? Yesterday we actually making a higher high. We are high in this level, but we are not actually hitting to this level. Since wave 5 is probably higher than wave 3, so we are waiting to see if the price can hit to the $24,087 right here. I mean, if this pattern actually play in book, we're gonna see probably a retrace, right? It's either gonna be a major ABC, or it could be something like this whole thing can be the wave 3. Then probably we're gonna have the wave 4 correction coming here. Then we have another major wave 5 coming to this area. A lot of people are saying probably the price is gonna coming back to here. I mean, if that's the case, I believe this could be the end of wave 3. So this is a diagonal, could be the wave 5 of the major wave 3. So now then we're gonna have a wave 4 correction, right? So we're gonna have the wave 4 correction coming back to here, at least, or we're probably gonna come back to here. But after the wave 4, we're probably gonna see another wave 5 coming back to this area. Why this area? Because the liquidation levels is telling us we have a lot of longs, right here. They are waiting to be liquidated, right? They're waiting to be punished, right at this area, 25.2, right? I do think this circle probably can bring us to the 25K this area, but I mean for the current sentiment, I do see the potential that we're probably gonna coming back after we finishing the diagonal. We're probably gonna come back a little bit, right? Because the market cipher has been, it's kind of extremely bearish, right? I mean, we are creating a lower low momentum. We are having the lower low money flow, and the VWAPs are actually coming back down. So, I do feel we're probably gonna coming back down a little bit. If that's give us a wave 4, could be another ABC, right? Could be another something like this. Could be something like A, right? B, C, could be something like this. I mean, if that's the case, that's an ABC, that's a case, which indicates that probably we're gonna have another wave 5, right? But I mean, if this is we already finished the wave 5, so we're gonna see I think a major correction, which is a ABC, right? Probably something like this, right? So we're gonna see, But right now, I think this is a good place to put a short, because risk reward ratio is kind of a good, right? Because your stop loss could be just above this, right? And you're gonna wait and see if the price is gonna drop back down, right? Coming back here, it shouldn't be reach your stop loss, and we're gonna come back down here again. So I believe this could be the great place to put a short here. All right, I think that's for today. We will give you update in the few days. Thank you guys. Hope you have a fantastic one.